If you want to let others know what you're up to, or if you're busy, then you can share your status so that people know that you're busy with something, even if they message you and you're not replying to the messages. So in order to do that, you go on to the more option, then go to settings. So once you do that, you have share your status option right here. You can click here and say, I am in a meeting, just like this. And then you can also throw in an emoji right over there, just like this, a little smiley face, just like this, and then that's it. So once you close down the settings right here, your status is shared with the other people. So from the other people's viewpoint, they'll see it like this. So even if you're online, now they know that the person is in a meeting, and even if they don't reply, they know that you're simply in a meeting, so that you cannot reply. You can also go over here and on to settings. You have some other option. If you want to remove your status, simply click on the cross button right here. You can say, hey there, just like this. And then you change your status just like this. So you're available to talk right now after you set that. You can also go over here on the settings, and the other option you have is so when you were last active. So if you're online like 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, or 3 hours ago, it'll show you when you were last active. You can also turn this off to protect your privacy right over there. And for an example of how this is seen is by going over here. So I'm going to go to this contact right here, and you can see that this person was active 2 days ago. That's how it'll show up in other users' accounts. So let me just go to settings over here, and the other option you can also enable is show which device you're on, like phone, tablet, or computer, just like this, and it'll show up on their device, on their chat boxes like that as well. So now how it'll be seen in other person's end is like this. So if they were to go here, click on this, they'll be able to see that you're on your computer just like this. So over here, there was a little icon pop up right there, just like this. You can see that the other person is in their computer, just like that. And that is how you can share your status via Google Hangouts. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.